Welcome back. Back on the 1970s Chevelle. I'm going to be working on this rear panel below the back glass. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing. Okay, in a previous video when I did a walk around on this car, I showed this panel here and how the quarters are put on. They put a tack weld on each corner with the MIG welder. I'm going to try and puddle some brass into here. I want to grind these welds down so I can make that seam look factory from top to bottom. And there's Bondo in here and some rust and stuff. I'm going to probably strip most of this down. You may need a coat of Bondo over it. But in this video, I want to get this back end finished up across here, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to do some grinding on here. I may just want to braze this whole thing shut, but I'm going to grind on this, see if that brass flowed down in there. Okay, there's really no reason to braze this solid. I got probably 80% of it, but that little groove, it ground down in there. The brass is all the way in there, and I didn't have to remove all of the MIG welds that were there, so it's going to be nice and solid. I'm going to get the other side brazed up, and then I'll finish grinding these up and get them ready for Bondo. Okay, I got both sides cleaned up. They brazed in there nice. Now, once I got into this thing, I'm seeing this rear panel here is all full of rust pits, and it goes all the way down and underneath the glass. There's a lot of Bondo in here. I don't know if somebody tried covering this up or if there's damage. So I'm going to clean it up the best I can. I'm going to feather this out, and it'll probably be good for another 20 years or so. Okay, this come out all right, and I'm sure that'll be just fine for quite a few years. I'm going to get a little bit of etch prime on the bare metal. Okay, I am done with this video. Thanks for watching.